Hey everyone! Today, I'm breaking down some basic tech concepts to help you feel more confident with your gadgets and software. Whether you're new to the tech world or just looking to brush up on your knowledge, I've got you covered. First off, let's talk about gadgets. Gadgets are electronic devices like smartphones, laptops, tablets, and smartwatches. These devices help you perform tasks more efficiently. For example, a smartphone isn't just for making calls. You can also browse the internet, send emails, and take high-quality photos. Now, let's dive into software. Software is a collection of instructions that tell a gadget how to perform specific tasks. Think of it like a recipe for your device. There are two main types of software: operating systems and applications. An operating system, or OS, is the software that manages all the hardware and other software on a device. Common operating systems include Windows, Mac OS, Android, and iOS. For example, if you have an iPhone, it runs on iOS. The OS is like the brain of your device, making sure everything runs smoothly. Applications, or apps, are software programs designed to perform specific tasks. For instance, web browsers like Chrome or Safari let you surf the internet, while apps like WhatsApp or Messenger let you chat with friends. Think of apps as tools that let you do different things on your device. Next, let's touch on some basic tech terms that you might hear often. Wi-Fi is a technology that allows devices to connect to the internet wirelessly. It's kind of like a magic carpet that gets you online without needing cables. Another term is cloud. The cloud is a storage system that lets you save files and access them from any device connected to the internet. Alright, now let's talk about updating your software. Keeping your software up to date is crucial because updates often include new features and security improvements. When you see a notification for a software update, don't ignore it. It's like giving your device a mini upgrade. To wrap things up, remember that technology is here to make your life easier. Don't be afraid to explore and experiment with your gadgets and software. Start with the basics, and you'll be surprised at how quickly you can become tech-savvy. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and guides. See you next time.